Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to exchange currency on Revolut. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up your Revolut application and make sure you are logged in. So I'm going to just log in using my identity. So let's log in. So once you've already logged in on your account here, so what you're going to do now here, if you want to exchange currency, on your home tab here, you will see an option called under accounts. There is an exchange option here. So simply click on exchange. So here you can choose the currency from which currency you're going to change it to. For example, mine, I'll just choose Australian dollars. From Australian dollars, I'm going to change it to US dollars probably, or you can choose, or if you can click on it and then choose any currency you want. All right. So once you have selected the currencies, so for me, I'll just leave it as Australian to US dollars. AUD to USD. all right, and then now just select the amount that you want to transfer. So for example, let me say $100. Okay, just make sure that you have sufficient balance to exchange. So if you are, for example, if I'm exchanging $100, I should have $100 left on my account in order to do that, obviously. All right, so once you're done that, put that. So and type in the amount. So if I put $100, then I'll get US dollars of $66. All right. So that's the value, the exchange value. So what I'm going to do now here is once I'm done with it, all I have to do is hit on the review order and then complete this transaction. So that's how you exchange currency using Revolut. So it's pretty easy. Hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.